Nope. Good job. Do you have a mustache? Look at Daddy. Is that your first blizzard? Careful. She's getting stuffed up tomorrow, we know why.
I think it's the nutmeg up her nose, or
Look at Daddy.
Adalee. Is it good? Cold. Yeah. Can you go like this and pretend like you're twirling your mustache? Go like this? Yeah. There you go.
How'd your teacher get out of drink out of a cup? You drinking it? Is there some pie in there? Look at Dad. Look at Daddy.
I don't think I'm gonna let you touch it. How much is left? None. There's nothing in that cup. Adalee, don't make a mess.
Put that
Adalee.
back. Yep, go take a bath. Go get clean.
Can you say excuse me? You gotta go like Adalee. You gotta go, excuse me.
Can you say excuse me? You're excused.
Can you say John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt?
Can you say hilarious? Hilarious. Hilarious.
Can you say it louder? Can you say it loud?
Who's on your cup? Yeah.
Is Sven nice?
Ride it. What did you ride today? We didn't ride the train. You saw the train. Perfect. Yeah. Is there snowflakes on there?
Is that a? Which one's the snowflake? Which one's the tree?
What's that? What is it? Snowflake.
Where's the tree? Good job. I don't think Olaf's on there, baby.
Owen.
What'd you find? Say nothing for Daddy. Was that pumpkin pie? Say who's messier? A 3-week-old or a 2-year-old? I think it's a 2-year-old. Amelia, can you say something?
7. Ogun.
Oh, God. Is it bath time? Amelia. Adalee, is it bath time?
Going back.
Bath? Alright. Say goodnight. What?
Back.
Can you say goodnight?
Back.
Okay. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye, camera.
Go kisses.
Is your hand stuck? Nope, still works.